In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Copilot from the Microsoft Store. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows device. You can usually find it on the taskbar or open the Start menu and type Microsoft Store into the search box to bring it up. If the store asks you to update before you continue, let it do that. It helps prevent installation issues and ensures you see the latest apps. Once the store is open, look for the search box at the top and type Microsoft Copilot. Press Enter to view the results. You might see several similar listings, so take a moment to confirm you're selecting the official app. The genuine listing is published by Microsoft, and the name should read Microsoft Copilot or Microsoft 365 Copilot, depending on which option fits your needs. Now choose the version you want. Microsoft Copilot is the general Copilot app designed for everyday use, giving you AI assistance for questions, writing, brainstorming, and more. Microsoft 365 Copilot, on the other hand, is designed to work with apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and typically requires a work or school account with the right license. If you're not sure which one you have access to, the standard Microsoft Copilot app is a good place to start. After you've chosen, click Install. If the button says Get, that's fine. Click it, and the store will switch to Install. You may be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account to complete the installation. That's normal and helps tie the app to your library in case you need to reinstall later. Keep your device online during this process and give it a moment to download and set up. You'll see a progress bar showing how things are going. When the installation completes, the button will change to Open and the app will be added to your Start menu. If you prefer, you can pin it to your taskbar later for quick access. If you don't see the app right away, search for Copilot in the Start menu. It should appear there. A few quick tips in case something doesn't look right. If you can't find Copilot in the store, make sure Windows and the Microsoft Store are up to date. If install is grayed out on a work or school device, you may need admin permissions. And if you see third-party apps with similar names, stick to the listing published by Microsoft. That's all you need to install Microsoft Copilot from the Microsoft Store. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new AI assistant.